There are no sloppy joes in my freezer. I have to take care of that. It takes just about the same amount of time to cook up 1 pound of sloppy joes as it does 3. So I'm doing 3. Depending on where I buy my meat, sometimes its label is 50 milligrams of sodium for 4 ounces. Sometimes it's 65. So I'm using 65 in my recipe. A Google search for sloppy joes without the bun, 1 cup ranges from 1,520 milligrams to 2,560 milligrams for 1 cup. That's more than our whole pot is going to have. Our sandwiches will be well below 300 milligrams with the bun. Hawaiian has a hamburger bun that's got 130 milligrams of sodium. This one is the 12.8 ounce package. They make a bigger one, but this is a regular size hamburger bun. Pepperidge Farm golden potato buns, 210. Pepperidge Farm onion buns, 210. I had 3 pounds of 93% lean ground beef that I browned with 1 onion chopped and a couple of cloves of garlic minced. Browned that real good. And I used 2 packages of Mrs. Dash Sloppy Joe Mix. I happen to like this one. For me, it's a little strong to use with 1 pound of meat, but 2 of these packages with 3 pounds of meat turns out pretty good. I use my bottled water because my tap water has sodium in it, and I certainly don't want to just add sodium. With 3 pounds of hamburger meat, with 1 can of petite cut, no salt added tomatoes, 1 can of tomato paste, no salt added, 1 can of tomato sauce, no salt added, and, because I like the flavor, a half a teaspoon of Kitchen Bouquet. You find Kitchen Bouquet where your ketchups are in your grocery store. The 3 pounds of meat with these things in it made 3 quarts of sloppy joes. They're in my crock pot. I'm just going to let them simmer through the rest of the day. I'll taste it. If I need a little more Kitchen Bouquet, I'll put that in. We'll just keep doing the little taste test. Sloppy joes freeze so good. Just mark your freezer bag, how much is in there. Put whatever your family will eat. I've always figured 5 servings out of a pound. And I like that because I have leftovers, always. Always do. Really, I think probably 6 is closer, but I like to put stuff in my freezer and I don't have to cook one day. Sloppy joes are easy to make. In no time, you have it in your crock pot and you're done for the day. Dinner's ready.